Jenny here with American Import Auto, and I am going to show you an example of worn out brakes. As you know, for the entire month of October, we have Brakes for Breasts going on, free brake pads or shoes. All you pay is the labor and any necessary parts needed. Let's head over here, see what Jean's up to. Hey Jean.
Hi.
What you up to?
I am inspecting brakes.
Brakes.
And right now I'm on the rear side of the brakes, and this happened to be a rear drum and shoes.
Oh, right.
And I'm not seeing any problems on this one. However, on the front one,
Oh.
we are using this tool to measure the pads, and green is good. It's measuring and how thick the pads are. Yellow is replaced soon, and red is replaced now. And if I go to the lowest one, which is 2 millimeters, and I try to put it in, I can't even put it in because there's nothing there. The whole pad is worn out. Means it becomes a safety issue at this point.
So right here, is this the pad?
This is the pad, but it's all worn out. We can go check on the other side. It's still got a little bit left.
All right.
See how this one is? It's got, you can see the little clearance in between. That's my pad, and I still have somewhat meat left in there,
Oh.
but it still
Perfect.
needs it.
Well, thanks, Jean.
All
I
right.
appreciate ya.
You're welcome.